Good morning, Who's Nation. It's a really nice and beautiful day. We're on our way heading to the farm. I haven't been up here in a while. So I decided I was going to give you guys a farm vlog. Tell you what's been going on. And I want to thank you guys for letting me hit that 3,000 subscribers. We're on our way to 5K, guys. Thank you so much for your support. It's really appreciated. And just stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright, so morning again, Who's Nation. So whether I get some water, but in the meantime, there's something I wanted to talk about. Guys, don't let anybody try to steal your thunder. And when I say that, I mean to say that, whatever you're doing in life, do it to the best of your ability. And, trust me, it will all work out. Speaking from experience, a year ago, I started YouTube and I started trading and I started a lot of different things and, it wasn't working out. And it's only this year I've had some success, you understand, and it really made me realize that, hey, with time everything will come. You don't have to be rushing everything in your life, and as males, we're under a lot of peer pressure, from society. Not saying somebody's bitching at her telling us what to do, but in terms of, for a woman, it's like the only thing they gotta worry about is people telling them you gotta get pregnant. For a man now, it's more like, when are you gonna buy your car? When are you gonna buy your house? When are you gonna start a family? You understand? That's more pressure. You understand? And they don't really realize how much it really affects us as men mentally. I'm not talking what this boy them who not care when nobody have to say. You understand? I'm talking man them who actually want to, be something in life or trying to strive to be something in life. And next thing, don't let any woman pressure you into, just don't make no woman pressure you. Don't stress out nobody. Don't make nobody stress you out. You understand? In terms of, women think that, man should have this and man should have that. And, no, they don't understand that life is not set up for a man to get everything. You understand? It's more set up for women to get everything. Where a woman can get 20, 30 grand, from a man. Then can just go to the bar and a man buy them jewelry. Can just go to the club gate and say, yo, let me in. You understand? Where they can go in a public place and know, say, if there's a man there, he's going to give them a seat. It's different from man. Nothing is given to us. Everything we have to work for. You understand? So, with that being said, as I said, don't let anybody pressure you. When a year time. You understand? And, some of them don't really realize how hard it is really for men. You understand? Especially men that are trying. You get me? So, and I really didn't want to speak about this today, but, when a friend of mine is going through some things, and he really said something to me that, I think that I should, speak up about it. As I said, don't let anybody pressuring you to do anything that you don't want to do. You understand? Your time will come. Trust me, people. Because the whole last year, I was at the worst point in my life. You understand? I was going through, job crisis, money crisis, and a lot of different things, emotional crisis. But now, when I look at, where I'm coming from, and the success that I have, really, and as I said, like, different things that really, you know, affect us as men. Cause like in your 20s, in your teens, you're like, when me at 19, me I buy my car, me at 20, me I get my second vehicle, and when I'm 23, me have my house, 24, 25, me married, and me have my kids, and me just live life from there. But society doesn't actually work like that. Probably for a woman, cause when you're 19, 25 woman, you're in your prime, you have all the choices in the world. You want, they with a rich man already, you can do that. If you want, they with a man who can carry upon dates, you can do that. You understand? But when you're past 25, now it's over for you, Now, when I all back now, I look for breed, When I see it done. So, doing your 19 to your 25, women can do whatever they want to do. They can be, them can handpick who them want. Either them can pick a package of them can work with. You understand? Or them can pick a ready-made package, or them can just not pick nobody at all. Them can just skip through, just try out new things. You understand? For a man now, it's like, from you hit that 19, 18 age, it's like you're off it, ready. You're ready to build yourself. You're off here, the pressure is on. You see me? You're off here, look for, have your car, you have to look for have your house, you understand? You know, because there are certain things that, you know, women need, you understand? And there are certain things that, you know, you need to feel like a man. You get me? So, you know, as I was saying, you know, and this is really for women, like you guys don't really understand or even think about it that way. You know, you guys just think about, yo, your man nah, this ain't what if your man nah do this for him, what it's nothing like that, bro. Like women always say they wish they can be man because man can do whatever I want and whatever. Yeah, a man can do whatever I want, yes, but really and truly, no. A man has to work hard for everything he has. Nothing is given to him unless I'm father, I'm grandfather, or some distant relative left something for him. Nothing is given to a man. And I said everything we have to work for, we have to focus on being the provider. You understand? And next thing too, I gotta tell these young men, like, don't take up a woman where your heart can't reach. You see me? If you see that she all into nails and ear, that's not your woman. If you don't have it for maintain her, you understand? Because, you know, you're going to take up a woman who's going to need this every week and need that every day. No, bro. If you have it, that's fine. But if you're in at the trying stage or you're not there yet, don't do that. You see me? Don't pick up where you can't mind, you understand? Because a woman is going to want a man to match her. You see me? If she have the money to do all of them things, that you must have the money to do it to her. You must have the money to do it for she and you. You see me? And don't say like that I'm lying or it's not true, because really and truly, ladies, how much I want to take up the money and say, all right, go on, husband go on a barber. I'll wait. How much I want to actually do that? Say, yo, husband go a barber, husband go get your feet done, go clean up your finger them. How much of you women actually do that? You understand? But you know, always like, yo, babe, make my nails, I don't know, hint it. Oh, babe, my nails, you know, or babe, me, you know, understand, hint it. And as a man, of course, we're going to step up and say, yo, babes, go do that. Go deal with that. But how much I want to actually, you know, say that, yo, me send my man got the barber today. Yo, you want trim, you want line up. Babe, see the money, I go deal with that. How much I want to do that? You see me? How much? Tell me in the comments. Tell me how much I want to actually say, yo, husband, go and go do this. Husband, go and go do that. Boyfriend, go and go do this. Go and go do that. And then you know, I always make this classification say, yo, boyfriend must not get husband treatment. What is husband treatment really? How can you become a husband if a lady don't treat you like you know, like you're somebody significant to you? To her, you understand? How? You get me? How can you become a husband if she don't show that, you know, she's the wife material? Because a man don't just get up and marry anybody, you know. There must be something in you that he sees to say, yeah man, me I go marry her now. Love no make nobody marry her. Man. Love is one thing, you know, but you see, when a woman can, you know, show that she brings more to the table than just sex, or, you know, she grounds her man, you understand? That is something entirely different. That's the type of woman, you know, that you can build, even if she don't have the material thing. But you see, once a woman grounds you, you know, you look more to, you know, you look more to say, all right, me don't want to lose this, me don't want to rear, you understand? You know? So, yeah, that's what me have to say. I find it so weird that I'm here in my van, you know, just thinking about all these things. It's hot as hell. I need to turn on the AC, but when I drive. You know, but you know, these are some of the things. So, as a woman, just bear in mind of all these things. You understand? And then for the women who go for the ready-made man, the man that already rich, and have everything already. Let me tell you know this. They don't see you know as nothing other than another object for use. You understand? Because I'm gonna be honest with you. If me rich, I'm there with somebody while me rich as a woman, no. If she not rich too, it not make no sense. Me I go use you. And I'm just being real. Because guess what? How me I gonna know if when me did have, when me did broke and I struggle, if you know you know, if you don't go there for me same way, how am I gonna know if it's real? And you can't talk about how you can cook dinner and clean and you know be there for me. No, but suppose me never have everything, if me never have the 30 grand to give a week time. You know, how me I gonna know say, you know, you're there for me and not just for what me did have, you understand? So that's why as a rich man, not care what a woman do, we go forever style them. You understand? Unless them dip on the same level as we, and that's why rich men don't marry poor women. Them going to them weight class. You understand? Because at them time that them know say, oh, she don't need me. You see me? So me can do whatever more, she can do whatever more. We don't need each other. We just it must be that we genuinely like each other while we're together, because it's why we have money. You know? It must be something like that. You know? So I'm just saying, you women, be careful as well. You know, say for example, you know, and I'm not saying that you should take up a poor man either. You understand? Because sometimes those poor man, some we don't care. We just want to live the basic life and the average life. You know, I'm not an average person. I don't care what nobody wants to say. I will never be average. If you give me $1 to them, you know me, I think I have a way of turning into 20. You understand? Because at the end of the day, I want to live a specific lifestyle. I want to, you know, send my woman flowers every day. I might not in the position to do it now, but I know that later down the line I am going to be. You understand? You know, I want to take trips. I want to just call up my girl and be like, yo, let's go. You see me, hotels, you know, dates. You know, them things them I want the brother. You get what I say? You know, I mean, want to do it and know, say, I'm not have to worry about my finances. Say, for example, say, for example, the state I'm in right now, if me fi say, me I gotta do that, me I go worry about my finances. I want to make sure, say, yo, when I do it, me not go worry about my finances. You understand? So it's a case where that way we can just randomly get up and say, yo, we got a beach, go eat some festival. But we got a hotel this weekend and I don't feel worry about my finances after. You get what I say? So guys, remember, think about your mental health. Don't make nobody pressure you. Ladies, think about your choices. You understand? Because as me saying, now, phone window gap is 18 to 25. After that, it's over for you guys. Oh guys. So guys, I'm at the farm where I load up some water, you know. But you know, it's good to be up here to really, you know, come up here and clear your head. You know, get a lot of things off out of your head and just relax. I know I haven't been doing any farm vlogs. You know, the farm is kind of down right now. There are no animals on the farm. They are my caretakers farm, you know, because we've been trying to get some new grass in the pen. So some of it is just start springing, as you can see right here. You know, so that's what we're working on. We still keep the water system operational because we don't want the tanks to burst. But you know, everything has been going good so far. I'm not giving you a lot of updates, I'm giving you a little updates because this video will probably be 20 minutes long or something like that. But just a little view for you guys, for my farming subscribers. I know I haven't been giving you guys the content of farming lately, but we're getting there back, slowly but surely. And I want to say, guys, thanks for watching. This will be the end of the video for me. I'm out.